Well, if you love collecting Qantas frequent flyer points every time you use your credit card, major changes are on the way. From October, the Reserve Bank will change how banks make money from credit cards, and experts believe many rewards programs will be scaled back. The good news, frequent flyer points aren't going away, but they could become a lot harder to earn. For more, we're joined by Betsy Westcott, financial finance expert. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Matt.
How are they going to change?
Well, I think it's important to understand what fees are changing. So, you know, when you go to the cafe and you buy your coffee and then you get that 1.5% fee?
Yes.
That's gone. Price on the menu is what you're going to pay from October 1st. But the most important part is this interchange fee, which is a hidden one. We don't really see it. But that's the fee that the bank pays or receives when you use your card. And that's what funds a lot of our rewards points. So with that being scaled back, they've got less revenue, so they're going to reward you less on your points, which is why everyone's saying, oh, OK, so if that's changing, they're going to be slimming down our rewards programs.
OK, we see all these ads. If you get a credit card, you can get 120,000 sign-on bonus and then so many after that. Is it going to affect those?
Absolutely. So the banks actually haven't shown their cards yet, so we don't know exactly what they're going to change, but I would see those bonus sign-on points really slimming down. I would see perhaps higher annual fees, maybe even higher interest rates, and certainly less bang for your buck. So you might get less points per dollar spent or bring the caps on, because we've seen this movie before. Back in 2014, they changed these fees and immediately the banks introduced caps on fees and they reduced the dollar amount. So it's not going to kill rewards programs, but it's going to be like a slimmed down GLP-1 version of your rewards programs.
Everyone's on GLP-1 now.
Even cards.
So how will banks incentivise customers?
Well, that's a really interesting question, because we don't know just yet. They're going to be sending out letters to customers from as early as August explaining the changes. So the single most useful thing you can do is actually read that and see what they're going to say.
Because who reads the letter from their bank, right?
I know, we all just bin it, right? But actually read it, and that's going to tell you what the value of your rewards program is going to be. And if you do have existing rewards points and programs, don't panic just yet. We don't know what the changes will be, so don't cancel your card. But if you've got points, make sure you start using them sooner rather than later. Use them on things like flights. You get a lot more value for that than you do for like buying gift cards or the merchandise. And actually do a little bit of an analysis on your card. So, you know, what does it cost you in terms of fees and interest? I did this with a client just this week, versus the rewards you actually get. And is the rewards higher than the cost? Because if it's not rewarding you, it'll be rewarding your bank. We don't know that.
OK, so actually compare them.
Yes.
Interesting. There you go. There are your tips this morning. Here's Chevo.